Well, welcome back to Automotive Republic. My name is James, if you don't already know that. If you don't, shame on you. Go hit the subscribe button. Shame on you. Anyway, today we're going to be doing the headlights on the Kia Forte. I wanted to get completely new headlights, but unfortunately that cost a lot of money. And I found a really good deal on some LED lights. That being said, we got some new low beams. We got some LED ones. I'll show you what we got. So, this is what we got here. That was actually a really good flip. I mean, honestly, you guys got to give me props for that. That's pretty good. Watch, I'll try it again. You know what? I might be a natural at this. They should sponsor me. Just because I'm good at flipping stuff, you know? Get it? I'm good at flipping stuff. Anyway, yeah, we're going to do the headlights. Alright, guys. First, you want to check the fuses in your fuse box. You want to see if there's any fuses that correlate to that, to your headlights. So you'll check the fuse diagram here. It should look something like this. Hopefully, if not, just look it up. It should be relatively easy to find this, unless you're Batman and you have a Batmobile, then it might be a little different than this. But if you're Batman and you're watching this, hit me up. We need to hang out. So in my case, I've already checked my fuse, but just make sure you go through. Every diagram's different. Just make sure you check your fuses before you go out and spend the money. And regardless, I wanted to get new headlights for this car because, like I said, the stock ones suck. So in this car, it looks like it's really easy to change out the headlights. Most cars, it's pretty easy. You'll have some type of, access point, whether here or here. In this case, like I said, we're doing the low beam, so it's going to be right here. There's this one right here that's up. So you just kind of take this, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It comes out just like this. It's got a little seal on it. Make sure that seal doesn't go anywhere. So you get your hand in here. This one's a little tight, I'm not gonna lie to you. Anyway, same thing, righty tighty, lefty loosey. It'll be a tab. You just slide it about a quarter of a turn, or you twist it about a quarter of a turn, and it will pop these bulbs right out. Just like so. So, as you can see here on this one, you always have tabs on these little electrical harnesses, and you never want to break them because, replacing that can be really expensive. Go to a cheap fix to an expensive fix. So yeah, make sure you're not touching this part on your new bulbs. These ones, they're already shot, so it really doesn't matter. So we got the old one out. Now let's put the new ones in. And then you just do the same thing to the other side. It's pretty self-explanatory. Or not for some people, that's why I'm making this video. Alright guys, as you see, we got the new ones here. We got these cool little gloves that they always come with. We have these gloves, but we're going to use those gloves too. But yeah, let's get the new ones installed real quick. Don't know if it's 100% necessary for these headlights, probably, but I'm not going to mess around and find out. It says to use the gloves, we're using the gloves. So I just wanted to take a time out real quick and say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. As I am making this video, we are at 128 subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing, staying tuned, watching all my videos. It's been an absolute awesome time so far, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. So you go hit the subscribe button. It means a ton to me, so thank you guys. Anyways, let's get these headlights in there. Not gonna lie, it is a bit of a pain in the butt. Make sure it's all the way at 90 degrees. That means it's all the way in there. We're good. And you know what? Sometimes these little jobs like this can be a real pain in the butt. But maybe the light isn't going on there flush or seating fully, and you just keep keep trying on it. But, you know, just take a deep breath, take a step back. You know, like right now, I'm trying to get this thing on there, and it's just not wanting to go on there. But it's okay, you know. You just take a breather, and boom, got it on. Do the next side real quick. All right, well, let's see how they look. Let's see how they shine. Beautiful, beautiful. Looks great. All right, so we got some new headlights on the Kia. Well, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, if you learned something new, or if you like watching me make a fool of myself, please go hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned on the channel. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. But all in all, thank you guys so much for your support. It means the world to me. I've had an absolute blast with this channel so far, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. So thank you guys so much. Make sure you go hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.